Oh, hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully, you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video. Today's content is how to create a drop down menu in Shopify. So, let's quickly start our video. First, you need to come into Shopee, okay? After coming to Shopee, here is content. Look, you can see content. You have to click on this. After clicking from the menu here, look, you will get an option from the menu. You have to click on it. After clicking, look here at the main menu, you need to click on this. After clicking here, we write anything like fashion, okay? Here I write by making a page. Look below, you'll find the save option. You need to save it here, okay? Like this for the drop down menu. Look, fashion, here it is. I'll drop down here. Look a little more upward here. Look below here. We can create our drop down menu like this, okay? By doing it like this, we can create our menu. So we can offer a lot here, so we will show you by doing it. By doing it like this, see here, we can do a drop down like this, right? So you can also do a drop down here. Look here, by clicking on this, we can create a drop down here. So after coming here, you have to save it here, okay? After saving, when you see the online store, you have to click on the online store. After clicking, look here, you will see view your store. Okay, you need to click on this. This is how we can create our drop down menu. So if you all are liking our video, then please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.